Medozons PRO-01 Ozone Therapy Device. Medozons PRO-01 Technical Specifications. Ozone concentration range from 0.5 to 60 mg per liter. 80 mg per liter available upon request. Ozone flow rate from 0.6 to 1 liter per minute. Oxygen inlet pressure from 0.5 to 6 bar. Built-in photometric ozone concentration meter. Connecting the Medozons PRO-01. Power button. Connect the 220-volt 50 Hz power cord. Connect the oxygen hose. Oxygen. Connect the oxygen hose to the cylinder. Open the cylinder valve and set the oxygen regulator at 1 liter. Turn on the power button. Test mode. The device has entered task mode. On the front panel of the device, ozone outlet, ozone supply control tap, closed and opened positions. Information display. Operating mode indicators, test, task, pause, supply, in water. The in water indicator is not used, it is intended for the Medozons PRO's version. Control keys. Stop. Ozone concentration setting. Treatment time setting. Parameter increase or decrease. Not used, intended for the Medozons PRO's version. Connecting the equipment. Any medical items can be connected to the device's outlet port. Bacterial filter. Syringe. Standard extension line. Adapter and connecting line. And much more. Procedure. Connect the accessories. Set the procedure parameters. Concentration. Press the 03 key, use the plus-minus keys to set 2 mg per liter, for example, and the set concentration is reaching. Time. Press the time key, use the plus-minus keys to set the due value at 20 minutes. The device is ready for operation, sound and light signals are given, and the display shows the command open the tap. Open the tap. Ozone supply begins, and the display shows the message O3 supply. If you need to pause the procedure, close the tap, the device will enter pause mode, and the timer will stop. You can change the parameters, correct the accessories, etc. Open the tap, the procedure will continue. Completing the procedure. When the procedure time is over or after pressing the stop button, the screen displays the message close the tap. After blowing, the device will return to task mode. Fill the syringe with ozone. Insert the syringe into the ozone outlet. Set the procedure parameters. Open the tap and fill the syringe. If the syringe is tight, push the plunger out manually. Close the tap and remove the syringe. And so on. If there is a long break between treatments, we recommend closing the oxygen regulator. Close the cylinder valve at the end of the day.